3I Atlas. It's only the third interstellar object we've ever seen. And the closer we look, the stranger it gets. Is it just another comet or something else entirely? Let's go through what the latest telescopes are showing us. Welcome to Shooting Star News, part of Crystal Earth podcast. So far, 3I Atlas is cutting through our solar system on a one-way path. It's not coming back, which means this is our only chance to study it. Over the past few weeks, Hubble, Gemini, and the James Webb Space Telescope have all turned their eyes toward it. What we found has raised more questions than answers. Hubble showed us a glowing cocoon of dust around what seems to be a small icy body. Estimates say it's no bigger than 3.5 miles across and maybe much smaller, just 1,000 feet wide. Dust is venting more strongly on the sunlit side, which is what you'd expect if ice is warming up and turning into gas. But the structure looks odd, with some light flaring toward the sun instead of trailing behind it. From Hawaii, the Gemini North telescope produced colorful images using special filters. To our eyes, the comet wouldn't look like a rainbow, but the colors highlight gas and dust. What's striking is how steady the activity seems. This object is venting material in a consistent way, not sputtering or fading. That helps narrow down its size and spin, but also deepens the mystery of why it behaves differently than many comets we know. Then there's the James Webb Space Telescope. It found the atmosphere around 3I Atlas is dominated by carbon dioxide, about 8 times more than water vapor. That's completely unusual compared to what comets in our system are normally composed of. There are a few possible explanations. Maybe it formed in a colder region far from its home star where CO2 ice was abundant. Maybe it's been cooked by radiation over millions of years in deep space, altering its surface. Or maybe there's a crust sealing in the water ice so only CO2 is escaping for now. And then the real curveball, other observations picked up nickel gas without any iron. Usually comets show both together. Seeing nickel on its own is rare, and scientists aren't quite sure how that fits the picture. Could it be from unusual surface chemistry or some kind of nickel-rich compounds breaking down under sunlight? Nobody can say for sure yet. Another puzzle, in some images, the brightest glow isn't trailing behind but flaring toward the sun. Some astronomers say that's just geometry in the way dust reflects light. Others wonder if it points to something more unusual about how this object releases material. And yes, a few voices have even speculated whether it could be something non-natural. Right now, the mainstream view is cometary activity, but the door is still open for discussion. So 3I Atlas is on a course to swing closest to the sun at the end of October. As I've said before, this is going to be our Halloween visitor, but we won't be seeing it. It's going to be about 130 million miles away from us, or from the sun, inside Mars's orbit. Its closest path to Earth will still be a safe 170 million miles. After it rounds the sun, it'll fade back into deep space, never to return. As it heats up, scientists will be watching closely. Will water finally start venting in larger amounts? Will the chemistry shift? Those changes could reveal hidden layers inside the object or raise new questions entirely. So what do we know? What do we really know? It's small, active, and venting dust like a comet. Its chemistry is highly unusual, with CO2 dominating and nickel appearing without iron. Its brightness patterns are curious and not fully explained. In the end, 3I Atlas remains a mystery. Maybe it's just a very strange comet. Maybe it's showing us something about interstellar chemistry we've never encountered before. Or maybe, just maybe, it's something more unusual than that. Whatever the case, this one-time visitor is giving us a lot to think about as it streaks past our sun. That's it for today's show. We'll be updating you in the future as more information becomes available on 3i Atlas, and we're looking forward to it. Be sure to follow and like this video to see more content. Thanks a lot.